If you feel that we are going to create trouble, this is a democratic expression of opinions. And you can arrest. No, there is a law that you can arrest person on the preventive detention. You can arrest us if you feel that we are going to create trouble. If you feel that you have sufficient ground to proceed with this section 144 CRPC, you go ahead. No, you are just doing what the master told you to do. Simply that. We know. So you apply your mind. Your political master will go one day. You will be continued in your service.
We are following orders,
but don't follow the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The Supreme Court has stated clearly that you cannot invoke section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir, banyak kali kata jingben yang official Lokayukta sir, kadang nak kawin galat sir. As a respected.
You tell me what is kaya kata galat?
Galat sir, tidak beli kenduk in a peaceful way.
This is violent. Is this violent?
Ngapa mesti violent sir? Ngapa violent? Belum beriau, bibun beriau, bilik sinong. Tak kalau nada sir, kadang hati.
Hey, kata kalau nada tutup penyidikan. Hey, kata kalau nada.
Hakasmi sir, hakasmi Friday. Bawan Honorable Home Minister. Kuma ketua sini sir. Kami accuse begini fitnah.
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine.
Pakai social media Kamdan cuk beri.
Terbeli pinsul leran. Beli ini ka darab jat ya kata kecenglong Meghalaya.
Hari itu upor, because internet kan itu dijam. Friday ru perasaan wrong message negative message yang ini belong plenary committee coba
kadon kabha belong kita bagi
toleran dengan represent wrong message
right message yang siapa
kamdai ka wrong message kadai right message they should know the truth. The central leadership should know the truth. Mdai ban sudarab jot repair di surak tang porwan ke central leadership ka tarong ka igidukan.
Sir, all those issues.
We cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
Itu issues lah.
You
are a representative. You can raise that issue through a personal meeting, through a courtesy meeting with the.
Who are you to explain me how to raise? You think I don't know? Know your limits. Okay. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Ngingim ko ajing kelumar, kako ajing kelumar ke sorkat. Boleh kau ajing kelumar ke district administration. Dan kami kata, kami kampun wet. Kau bimut banong bahkan kan kampu ke suk kan kam jai le dengan song nang ni, inum ki nang ni. Dia boleh ngim lah bani ya. Bani kenduk yo officer pula phone ngang ongan dia kenduk. Dangal ai kenduk ong tu ngin sekren dan ngin saya rai menu ban song hang ni hang nu ngin song menu bani kenduk. Ngim lah ban rai. What we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand peaceful demonstration? Not with this. Okay, not with guns. Not with covering your faces. We don't have that kind of intention. That if he so artian, he so tikna yung itap there, line up yung check yung way. Dia nak kata tahu konfi kata ngalak ada keren. Bala lagi government kita, government. Oh, ini inti kita red deal in this way. And what will happen if we decide something which is more serious?
That won't happen, sir.
Will you be able to handle the situation, or will you ask? Just give order to fire and lathi charge? That is what you are waiting for. The way you are preparing. Never.
We will not allow. Our future is at stake here.
We want to show to the world that as a party, the leaders will take the front lead.